In this video we will learn how to use the mirror command. Okay, how to generate the mirror copy of this plan, this side or this side or upside or downside, any side you can create the same object, the same plan by using this mirror command without drawing any drawings. Okay, so first I will select this entire plan. Okay, for that I will just click on and just do left click and drag it, and then one more time left click. So now the entire plan is selected. So now I will go for the mirror command. Okay, first I will click on the mirror command, and then I will generate the replica of this whole object this side. Okay, so for that I will select the corner. Okay, this is the reference point from where we are getting the mirror image. Okay, so now it is generating upside, but I need this side. So for that I will rotate it like this. Okay, so here you can get the changes, you can get the alteration in angles. So for that I need exactly perpendicular. For that what I will do, I will go for this ortho mode and then I will click it on. So now your plan is getting a mirror imaged exactly at 90 degree. Okay, just like wherever you go you will get the perpendicular. Okay, so like this you can generate. So now I need this 90 degree perpendicular like this mirror image. So for that I will click on one more time and then click enter. For enter, yes. Okay, so it has gone. One more time. So now I will click enter. Okay, no, here is a source object, means it is asking whether you need this previous one or not. Yes, we need the both. So for that I will click on no option. Okay, so now escape. Okay, now okay, now we got the entire this plan replicated this side. So likewise we can generate one more replica upside, just like select the whole thing by dragging it and then go for mirror image, and now I will replicate according to this point as a reference one. So now I will select it, my ortho mode is on, I will get the 90 degree perpendicular. Okay, so now I can generate like this, generate one more attachment like this. So now I will click and then I will select this no option, means the previous one from where we have got this mirror image, that object, do you need it or not? So yes, I need it, so I will click on no button. So now we will get the entire plan replicated 4 times here. So likewise you can use this mirror command. By using this your work will be reduced. So this very helpful command.